All right, see the young, energetic, talented boy. This is Joseph Bonsu. He has built this intelligent machine. His father is a cocoa farmer, and he decided to build a machine that will help him spray his farms with insecticide, weedicides, and the rest without using the knapsack to point. In his view, this is what he did. He has a first container which will mix the chemical he wants to pump. This is a machine that will pump the machine, the water or the chemicals, and then through this hose, the guy is holding it. Will please hold this one for me. He will join it with this, and then the father will just be holding the mouth or the tip of the um, knapsack, the handle, yes, and then he will just walking through the farm and then pumping.